Hey friends, welcome back to Cardz TV. Today we're going to make a card using the Cricut expression, and we'll be using Simply Charmed, George and Basic Shapes, and Cardz TV, Card Kit and Caboodle, card sketch number 15. Let's get started. I'm so glad you stopped by today, guys. We're going to make a cute little card for fall using Kit and Caboodle sketch number 15. And you can find all 31 sketches at my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, and they're all free to download. Now, if we look at the sketch, which has all the measurements for you, we see that we have an A2 or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. So I have a white card base for that. Next, we're going to add a mat that's 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm using this really pretty, it's not a red and it's not an orange. It's kind of a rust color, but I really like it for fall. And this is 4 by 5 1/4, and this is going down next. I'm going to put this on with some art glitter glue. And then if we look right here, we have these two panels here and one here. These two are 1 3/4 inches by 3 5/8. And I went ahead and cut these out. And I really like this. It's got little acorns in different colors all over it. These are going to go on right here. And then our bottom mat is 1 1/4 inches by 3 5/8. And I used some brown with the same color polka dots as all the little acorns. It's going to go right down here. So I'm going to get all this attached, and we'll come back and I'll show you what comes next. Don't y'all just love these colors and these pattern papers together? Just looks so much like fall. And all these papers came from the Echo Park Hello Fall paper pad. I bought it last year, I think, and I've still got tons of it. So I'm making lots of cards with it. Now, I wanted an oval. I know it shows a rectangle here on the sketch, but you can use a rectangle, a square, an oval, a circle, whatever you'd like. Change it up however you'd like to. So I'm going to use an oval. And for my oval and the shadow, I went to the George and Basic Shapes cartridge, and on page 114, I cut this oval at 4 inches, and then I came down here and I also cut the shadow at 4 inches. And I used some more of that paper, and this is just like this brown with the polka dots, except this has a cream color background with those same colored polka dots, and I used some more of that rust cardstock for my shadow. I'm going to get these adhered together, and that's going to go right there on the front of my card. I decided to go ahead and pop this oval up for some added dimension, and I wanted to add a little scarecrow. So I went to the Simply Charmed cartridge, and on page 57, there's this adorable little scarecrow. Isn't he the cutest? Here he is right here, and I cut him at 3 1/4 inches. Now I cut the background of the scarecrow, which would be this layer right here, out of this mustard yellow. That's the straw. Then I came up here to layer 1. I cut his shirt and the band for his hat out of some more of that rust red. His overalls and hat are out of this pretty blue. For his little shoes, and this black layer that goes where his eyes are supposed to go, and it cuts 2 tiny little eyes, but they're so tiny I couldn't even get them off the mat. So I went ahead and cut that, and then I grabbed my black faceted enamel dots, and I grabbed 2 of the little small ones and used for his eyes, and look how his eyes sparkle. I love using those for little eyes on characters and images. And then I came down here for his face, and I cut that out of some peach, and it will also cut 2 little circles for his cheeks, but I just used my Copic marker. I think I used blush and just colored those in for his cheeks. Isn't he adorable? I just love him. Now, I've also got him on some foam tape. He's going to go right there. And then for the sentiment, I wanted to say happy fall, y'all, because he's a little country scarecrow. So I grabbed the Cardz TV, Thankful for You. There's happy fall, y'all. And I used some Memento Tuxedo black ink and another piece of that mustard yellow, and went ahead and stamped it on this little banner. And this is a narrow little banner. It is not quite half an inch. It's about 3/8 of an inch by 3 inches. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to get this added right down here. Here's my cute little card for fall, all finished. And I used the Simply Charmed cartridge for my scarecrow and the Georgian Basic Shapes for my oval. My papers came from the Echo Park Hello Fall paper pack. And for my sentiment, I used Cardz TV Thankful for You stamp set. And my card sketch came from the Cardz TV Card Kit and Caboodle sketches, and this is number 15. And as I said, guys, if you want to get all 31 sketches, just go to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. Thank you all so much for coming by today. I hope you've enjoyed this, and this has given you some inspiration to get out your Cricut and your cartridges and make some cards for fall and Thanksgiving. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.